Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Beauty of Everything. Beauty of Everything is uniquely designed for fashion lovers all over the world. Today we'll show you some of the best designs we choose only for you with some of our best resources, and definitely you'll love them. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. So in this video you will see some of the best jewelry designs of current fashion. These articles of jewelry are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that's special about your personality. These jewelry designs are all the way comfortable yet elegant and easy to wear and created keeping in mind the trends and color of the season by fashion designer. And there are a huge collection of so many beautiful stones like ruby and diamond and sapphire blue diamond and so many stones. So please subscribe to our channel Beauty of Everything for more updates and click the bell icon so you can never miss an update from our channel. We don't own any stores but can give you suggestion about different items that you can purchase through online store. You can also comment if you have any suggestion for us to improve our channel and which video which we should do next. Thank you so very much for watching this video.